Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so I am now on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Scalper EA, and right away I can see this is listed as supporting both MT4 and MT5. All right, so this is currently the MT4 version, but if you are interested in the Scalper EA for MT5, you can just search for the MT5 version. So I'm just going to be discussing the MT4 version in this video. All right, the EA is priced at $600 to buy, but there are also rental options available, $60 for 1 month or $350 for 1 year. It's developed by Yang Wu, and I can see the latest version here is 1.57, updated in December 28, 2018, with 5 activations included. Scrolling through the description, this EA is presented as a scalping system that is designed to operate mainly during Asian trading hours. So it's not a full day trading system, but instead focuses on specific market conditions during that session. Now, the developer mentions that it uses several custom indicators to detect price fluctuations, along with dynamic take profit and stop loss levels that adjust based on market conditions. There is also a fixed stop loss included, which is meant to help protect capital exposure on each trade. Another key point here is the inclusion of a news filter. All right. And from what is written, this feature is designed to avoid trading during high impact news events, okay, which is usually a critical factor for scalping systems due to volatility spikes. Now, moving into the settings section, I can see a lot of configurable parameters, things like fixed lot size or dynamic risk-based lot sizing, GMT offset adjustments, trading hours, and even options to control whether the EA trades on Fridays. All right, now there is also a direction setting that allows the EA to trade both buy and sell, or restrict it to one direction only. On top of that, I can see options for additional orders, distance between orders, lot multipliers, all right, and all of that. So, which gives some flexibility in how trade progression is managed. Okay. Now, another important part here is the news filter configuration, which suggests it is trying to avoid sudden volatility around major economic releases. Now, before I move into the backtest section, I also noticed the recommendation here is to run it on GBP USD. All right, using an M15 chart, and it even suggests using a low spread environment like a zero spread account for better execution conditions. So now I'm just going to switch over to the strategy tester and take a look at how this EA performs historically under those conditions. Okay, so we are testing the Eagle Scalper on GBP USD on the M15 time frame as recommended, right? And we are using the every tick modeling. Okay, we are running it over the past month, just about 1 month of data. Let's quickly look at the results now, the report. So we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, the total net profit was negative $6,452.41. There were 15 trades taken. Short positions were 6 with 66.67% win rate. Long positions were 9 with 33.33% win rate. Now, we can also see that the largest profit taken was $850.64. The largest loss was $1,977.22. The average profit was $321.81, and the average loss was $1,088.14. One of the things that quickly captures my attention is that the difference between the profit and the loss is quite much, right? Both the largest profit and loss and the average profit and loss, the difference is significant, right? So that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. Okay, so I'm not surprised to have I'm not surprised to see a negative total net profit here, because the win rate is not even impressive. So when you put the win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, well, I'm not surprised to see a negative net profit here. Now let's just quickly look at the EA in action. So I'm just going to turn on the visual mode and same settings. So we just want to see how the EA, works, right? So looking at the backtest results, I'm reviewing the historical chart data and trade execution behavior over time. So since this is a scalping system, I am paying close attention to how frequently it enters the market during the active trading session and how it handles short-term price movement. The testing setup is important here, and I can see references to high modeling quality recommendations, which is something you generally want when evaluating scalping systems, because small price differences can significantly affect results. So while going through the chart activity appears to be concentrated in specific time windows, which aligns with the idea that it is designed to operate during Asian trading hours only. All right, now that kind of time restriction usually means the EA is selective rather than constantly active. All right, so we can also see here the information displayed here, the magic number, max spread, GMT time, the server time, the GMT offset, the lot size, and the trading session. Okay, server time. All right, so now stepping back, this is where I focus on the fact that this is strictly historical backtest performance. Okay, results like this can change significantly depending on execution conditions, spread levels, broker differences, and how the EA is configured. So I'd always recommend testing this EA yourself over longer periods to get a more complete understanding of how it behaves across different market environments, especially since scalping systems can be very sensitive to conditions. All right, so from a strategy perspective, what stands out here is the combination of time-based trading sessions, indicator-driven entries, and volatility filtering through news controls. All right, so the behavior on the chart suggests it avoids random overtrading and instead focuses on structured periods of activity. So to wrap everything up, Eagle Scalper EA is positioned as a session-based scalping system with multiple filters, dynamic trade management, and configurable risk settings. But like with any automated system, the real evaluation comes from your own testing, optimization, and how it performs under your specific broker conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.